All right, ladies and gents, for some reason the audio got corrupted and there's no audio for any of my video, but today I have a little unboxing for you, a Broadway limited Alco PA diesel, both DCC and sound, or if you don't have DC, it still can be run on a conventional DC layout. This lovely diesel has a beautiful paint job. The green and yellow paint scheme with the New York and New Haven emblem in the front is awesome. The sounds are awesome. It is pretty loud for such a small diesel. Now, I only have a DC controller at the moment. My DCC controller is coming in the mail, so the startup sequence might be a little different, and I will put a short out on that later on once I get my DCC controller. But as you can see, this is a lovely engine, beautiful paint job, New Haven, Alco, PA. I don't know the road number on there. I can't really see it. Oh, 0779. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the next train home.